What's going on, duders? We're gonna target some bass in some crystal clear waters. Now let's get it.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Now I got some rapids. Rapids usually harbor some fish. Yeah, I got him. Woohoo! Nice. Still a little guy. I don't really like catching them this small. Gotta be over a pound for me. So can't catch another one of these little bastards. Especially right. Oh man. Yeah, that's for a much better spot. Did I get him? There he is. Now I got another one. Oh, Jesus. Man, this is like shooting fish in a barrel here. No, he messed up my jig. Oh, it is blood time now, boy. We're gonna hit this deeper. Oh, right there. Look at that. Right in the weeds. Yeah, that's been much better. There he is. Got him. Come on. What we got? He's a little bigger. Man, look how fat that little dude is. That dude is a fatty for being 6 inches. Man. Lynched him. A little fat boy. There we go. Now we got a pool. Pool, some rapids. Come on, big fish. Oh, no. There he is. Oh, no. Oh, there he is. God, they're so small. Why are you guys so small out there? That's a deep pool. You should be inviting your 5-pound friends over there. Tying on the raised swimmer on a belly weighted hook. We are going to cast it in a nice eddy current here. Looks like it's kind of deep over there too. So I'm going to imagine that there is some big bass out here. Oh, did I get him? Oh shoot, dude. Oh, nice. Come on. Oh, nice. That's a big bass. That's a nice big old bass. Heck yeah, let us have. Not under there. Not under there. Oh. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That champion. Oh wow, he swallowed that puppy. What we got? Like a 3-pounder? 2 3-pounder? Well, looks like I'm gonna have to get the pliers out. Sorry about that. I'm gonna say it's about 2 pounds. 2 pounds smallie. Watch that. Oh, yes. I'm in the zone, baby. Oh, I got him. No. So, baby. There he is. Another 2-pounder. Almost back to back. Always a good day when you're catching those. I was gonna quit after I caught that 2-pounder there. You know, I just went home, sat down, thought about it for a second, and I was like, man, it's a good day. So I figured my favorite spot would probably produce another 1 or 2 just to add another to the collection. So let's go see what we got. Actually, I just see some fish right there. All right. Well, that's not a bad sign. Let's get a little one following it. There he is. Oh, that was a big one. Man, hell of a fight. A little poundy. Ooh. Barely got him on the lip. Wow, he's a little fat boy. Nice, I tell you. Ooh, splashed the crap out of me. Ooh, the moon tonight. Look at that thing. Oh man, he's going everywhere. He's just, oh, has he got me underneath? What's he got me at? Oh, all right. That won't be bad. That's not too shabby. About a pound. I think that's gonna be it, guys. You see how dark it is. Oh yeah, he wasn't coming off. He got hit. Shaboosh. All right, let's let this guy back in the water. Looks like the bait's done. It's getting dark. That's a pretty good finish. So yeah, we're gonna call it quits.